Hello guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so today we are looking at a chant song by Theophilus. It's called Hosanna Oma. Okay, so that is a song we are coming to treat for today. It was done in the key of C, but I will be playing the key of F. So let's dive in. The first chord we are doing for today is the sixth chord, also known as the La chord. Okay, so like this. So what am I basically playing? I'm playing the D and the F. Right hand is doing the A, the D and the F. Okay, so basically this is the chord I have. The D, F, A, D, F. Then the second chord we are doing the 5. Alright. So I have the C, I have the G, right hand, I have the C, I have the D, I have the E, I have the G. Okay, then we are moving to the 4 chord. On the 4 chord, I have the B flat chord. Okay, this is B flat. Okay, the B flat chord I have on the left, the B flat as a note. Then I'm holding a chord here, the F, the B flat, and the D. Alright, so we will have this, the second chord, then the third chord. Then this particular chord we are doing, okay, you can choose to do the chord that suits you best. Okay, in the song that I listened to, okay, it looks like they were doing the 2, okay, but the progression were changing because at a point they were doing it on the 4. They were doing over chords. Okay, they were doing it on the 4, and at a point 2 they were doing it on the 5 chord. So you can choose whichever way you play it is applicable. Okay, so like this. And at a point 2 I heard this particular chord. Okay, have you seen the difference? The fourth chord, okay, the fourth chord, they sometimes play this, they sometimes play this. That's basically what I'm saying. Okay, so let's check the chord. So that would be the 6, the 5, the 4. This would be like over chord, the 2 over the 5. So now that we know the chords, let's try to sing and pitch in the chords that we have learned so far. Okay, so the song goes like this. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna Oma Davido. And also I want to teach you a passing chord they did in that song. Okay, they did this particular movement. Alright, so basically this, or you can do this. So they did this particular movement. Alright, so what am I doing? I'm doing this. I have the E on the left, right hand is doing the A, the D, the E, and the A. I have the A on the left, the C sharp, the E, and the J. Then the 6th chord. Alright, so you'll be like, okay, one more time. Okay, so let's pitch in so that you know where to place it. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna Oma Davido. Then we do Okay, these were all movements they were doing in this particular song. Okay, so here I did this. So basically I was doing the flat 5, also known as the Fi, okay, to the So. So the La, then Fi, then So, alright. Then the progression will move like I told you. Then so basically these are the chords that they use for this particular song. Subscribe if you haven't. I will see you in another video. Bye.